Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How To Guide. In this tutorial we are gonna look at how to enable not to sell my data or personal information in Crackle. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let us simply look at how to enable not to share their personal data. At the top right, you can see a button like this on the navbar called as My Account. Simply hover over it. Once you guys do that, all you guys need to do is go to your settings. Click on it. And guys, this is it. From here, this is the settings page. And from here, this is accounts. And just below it, you can see the legal tab. Now all you guys have to do is focus on the legal tab. Right here next to it, you can see a button that states do not sell or share. All you guys need to do is click on this change settings button. Now finally, simply toggle on these buttons, and right here these buttons say do not sell my personal information, do not share my personal information. Simply toggle them on and that is it. That's how we enable do not sell my personal information in Crackle. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.